Good morning. Doesn't she look like a seal? Hey, little lady. Hey, little lady. I got Conehead, Pitbull, who eats his tail and has to walk around with a hemorrhoid pillow on and a sun curtain because he eats his tail. We're in the basement.
Do me a favor, go grab me the wipes from the bathroom. Go grab me the wipes from the bathroom.
Good morning. Guys. I'm not joking about the gagging. That is horrible. Here she goes. Oh, she just grabs on the bed. What do you think? Oh, this is horrible. Good morning, Stevens household. Oh, I'll throw it up. Good morning, Persist Theory. Today, I am finally heading to Soul Performance. They are putting an exhaust on my Huracan. Persist Theory Lamborghini. It's about to get louder. The last time it's going to sound like that. Let's get going. I'm so pumped up like a kid in a candy store.
Okay, children, we're done with the alphabet. Next subject, financial.
Alright, we arrived. RT tuning. Here's RT, guys. I didn't get the beard memo. I have a little beard. He's got a bigger beard. He's got the bigger beard. He's got a beard. I feel left out. I feel naked here. I don't know. He's got a beard too. Hanging out at RT tuning. We got some people that stopped by. I'm just gonna put them on blast real quick. What's up? Who are you? What did you do?
Who am I? Supercars Philadelphia.
What's your signal? Your sign?
Gemini.
Gemini. Oh, you are?
Maybe, yeah. I am.
Oh, I'm a Gemini. That's bad. Two Geminis in the same spot there. What's the date of your birthday?
I can't tell you that.
Okay.
I have to kill Max.
Okay.
Check vids.
Well, if I give mine.
Check. What?
There he is. So is this guy famous now?
Yeah, he's famous.
I think you're famous.
I'm famous now because I'm in your video.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. So what's your viral video right now?
Me quitting my job.
Quitting your job. How does that go viral? The setup is beautiful. Flat screen, big screen. This is awesome. Beautiful place, guys. Check out RT. If I see my car take off, I'm not gonna be super stoked either. I'll tell you that much right now. And it's going to be louder than that.
Way louder. 416 torque and 553 horse.
553 horse, 416 torque. So we just got done at RT tuning, and we are heading to Soul Performance. So guys, I just arrived at Soul Performance here, and look at their cars there. We got Porsche, McLaren, Porsche, Lamborghini. Look. We got supercars of Philadelphia. Would you have like a stripper rubbing her booty on it? Like, look at all these streak marks.
It's a long story. I don't want to talk about
Oh, all right, we don't have enough time.
All stock.
This is the Huracan stock muffler. That's huge. This?
Yep, this is it. This is your system.
That's it.
That's all you need.
Made it myself.
You're gonna love it.
Oh, look at that. Brushed. and then
The chrome.
chrome. Brushed and chrome. Very nice job. Look at the solder joints, guys. Guys, look at this.
Yeah, this will.
They're V-bands on there.
Guys, that's the first thing I always look at.
No, they're all top. Top-notch.
That's clean, guys. Oh, she's off. Her rear end is off. Don't like seeing your car like that. Deadlifting the Huracan exhaust.
Wait, can you
Breathe, breathe.
just rep it out?
Can't you install exhaust? Yeah. Why aren't you in there getting dirty? What, are you too pretty today? You got black on, you won't see the dirt. Oh, all right, all right. He's fancy. They keep saying back and forth to each other, are you in? Are you in? Are you in? That was like my first time having sex. Max, are you in?
Not yet.
Not yet. He's working it.
I don't even know what you guys are talking about. 'Cause I've never had sex.
You never have? It's an interesting. It's humbling. It's humbling.
Is it like wrestling?
It's like exhaust. It's like exhaust. It's just like this. You get grease on your hand, and you shake it, and you lift it.
You gotta lube it up.
Yeah.
Lower the friction rate.
Right. You bend your knees.
Kind of like a burnout.
Right. You bend your knees.
Bend your knees.
Yes.
And just
You don't want to burn the rubber.
hip thrust into it.
If you burn the rubber, things pop.
Can I keep my shoes on?
You can. I heard if you have your shoes on, you have a boy. If your shoes off, you have a better chance of having a girl. This should be in schools for Sex Ed 101. Maxie, did you get all that? Yep. See, guys don't pay attention, ladies. That's what happens.
He missed out.
That's why he doesn't know how to put his muffler in.
You got new tits?
You got new tits?
What's the tips?
Do they flex?
Yeah,
There you go.
I get a
He
lot
got
of
new
compliments
tits.
with these actually.
What CC did he go? 300 CCs?
275.
Oh, you went small.
Trying to go a little
Small B.
little lower.
Yeah, you don't want to go too big.
Well, look natural.
Yeah. He does motocross, so when he hits the bumps, he doesn't want to give himself a black eye. Dude, we should do a launch in the Lamborghini, see if I can get them to come up and choke you.
Yes.
You have to wear a bikini, though.
Yes.
Yep.
Comes from inside.
What? Dude,
Doesn't
I'm
look as
like tired. You literally got me on the spot. Like,
Yeah, that's going in the video.
exposing me, dude.
Yes, indeed. We're going to go viral.
That's awesome.
He quits and then he sleeps. Here we go, guys. The moment's here.
Finally.
My heart rate's going. I'm getting sweaty. I'm getting sweaty. Run! Everyone's gathering. It's going to start. Man is none. Look at all the smiles. Who said grown man can't have fun? Oh, yes. Lancaster's gonna hate me. Well, I will say, so Soul Performance did it. They didn't lie. There's sometimes you buy something and you assume it's gonna be something amazing and you get it, you're like, that's good, okay. This is friggin' nuts. Good job, guys. Awesome job.
I thought he was asleep.
He was.
Was he?
He heard the beep. He heard the beep and he's like, I'm gonna get caught again.
Yeah, 4 hours.
Hard at work.
Yeah, 4
Trained
hours.
professional.
4 hours of sleep. That's what we keep hearing all day. You know what? It would be awesome if you fell asleep and we just gently pushed you in front of the exhaust and lit it up. That'd be the best alarm clock ever. Just got the exhaust on. We're rolling out. Unreal, unreal, unreal. You're gonna hear me coming. Soul Performance, Willow Grove, soulpp.com. John, Max, awesome, awesome. Awesome. And off to the dyno. We're back at RT Tuning. Exhaust is on here. We're going to see what it does on the dyno. First run. Good day, good fun, good people. Car lifestyle is awesome. So just got done getting this explained to me by John. Mid-range power is up about 20-30 horsepower just with the Soul Performance exhaust, guys.